Hi, this is Tara from Simpleday, and I am on a mission to make productivity simple using Monday.com. I wanted to share this price quote board that I created for one of my clients, and it's basically they use it for warranty. So the way that it works is you can see we have all the warranties that are in progress that need to be issued and the ones that are completed. We have a person column to just show who's in charge of the task, and a status column as well as a date column. Now, if you scroll over here, just I'll skip these columns for a few minutes. If you scroll over here, you'll see that we have the contact information of the client. You also, if you're using Monday Sales and CRM, so you can also connect these columns to your CRM. Now, the way that this works is there's three types of warranty: basic, starter, and pro. They're calculated, there's a dollar amount for each one, but it needs to be multiplied by the number of square feet. So you can see the basic one, if I would change this, let's say to 1,000 square feet, so you can see that the price would change. Now, these warranties has a minimum amount. So the minimum amount is actually created by an automation. So if I add another company here, I'll just show you. Let's just say I set this to starter. So you'll see that the minimum amount for starter is $3,000. So that automatically populates. And now what happens once I enter the square feet, so let's just say for here I enter 100 square feet. So since the price for this warranty is only $3, my final price is going to be the minimum required amount, which is $3,000. Now, if I would change this, let's just say I would change this to 100,000. So therefore the final price is $32,000 because this price number is above the minimum amount. So this is the square feet column is a numbers column, and the minimum amount is also a number column that's set with automations, and the price is a formula column, which basically takes the type, multiplies it by the price. The type calculates the price is added in, and then it multiplies it by the square feet to calculate the price. And then this final price is also a formula column, and it basically will check which amount is more. If price is more, so enter price here. If minimum amount is more, enter minimum amount here. And that way you know what the final price is. Hope this is helpful, and I will leave the formulas for both of these columns in the notes so that way you can use them.